Morning, guys. Anyway, look what's just arrived. Now, I think I know what this is. I'm pretty sure this is my drone, but I wanted to open it up on camera just so you could see exactly what I'm seeing. Let's hope that DJI has come up trumps and has not let me down with regards to the drone. So what happened was, of course, if you remember rightly, on one of my vlogs, I crashed it whilst trying to skateboard and fly a drone at the same time. Don't try it, it's not easy. But of course I've got the insurance. However, I paid a little bit more to get them to just take the old one and send me back a replacement. I don't think it'll be a new one, I think it'll be a reconditioned one. But as the other one was knackered, I'm quite happy. So, fingers crossed, this is all going to be alright. So, let's open the box. Well, it's well packed, well sealed I should say. So this has come via UPS. A little bit late actually, should have been here on Tuesday. But, alas. Ooh, right, so is this my original box? Or is this my original box? Anyway, it's well packed, as you can see, all there. Let's have a look at this. This doesn't look like my original box. My original box was in much better nick. But anyway. Right, so what's they sent me here? Well, they've sent me new propellers. That's a start, that's good. And they've sent me the Mavic. And that's it. That is it. So let's see. Well, that feels new. Yeah, it looks new. I don't know though. I don't know how I can tell. It looks alright though. I'm just inspecting it. Everything looks alright. Battery's on. Got a bit of charge in the battery. It's definitely a new battery because I had written a number on there, and it's also a new drone or a reconditioned drone, I don't know, because I'd written a number on there as well. So, well, I think that's a bit of a result. I'm going to try and plug it in now and get everything charged up, get the software updated, and fingers crossed it all works okay. Anyway, let's go for it. So this is my original box. So I need that out. I need that out. How much charge is in that? Well, I've got 3 bars, that's alright. Plug this in. Hey Google, what's the weather like outside?
Currently in Haslingden it's -3 and mostly cloudy. It'll be cloudy there today with a forecast high of -2 and a low of -4.
Well, that's too cold for drone flying. Well, it's not snowing. I might just send her up. Right, so I need the power brake. Got that out. Excellent. That's everything on charge now. Yep, fingers crossed, it's all okay. Anyway, while that's all charging, I think now would be a good time for a little bit of B-roll. Wow, it's very windy out there, so I can't fly it at all. It was going all over the place. But it all works fine. So that is the drone saga completely over now. New drone delivered, all works fine. Thank you, DJI. So let's hope in the next vlog we'll have some drone footage. So that's all from me for today. It's only a quick one. Sorry about that. Hopefully a few more interesting vlogs to come, because I've got something interesting on the horizon. But I'll let you know more about that later on. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've liked this, please give it a thumbs up on YouTube. If you've not, give it a thumbs down. I'll understand. But please subscribe to my channel for plenty more videos. Okay, thanks for watching. See you in the next vlog.